A very pleasant evening to everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this cultural evening. On behalf of Indian Council for Cultural Relations, ICCR, a cultural arm of Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, in association with Directorate of Kannada and Culture, Government of Karnataka, presents Kala Vishwa, a special cultural campaign under Horizon series of ICCR. Today, we are celebrating the cultural festival with great spirit of oneness. This is an initiative taken from the ICCR to benefit the rural artists during the pandemic. Karnataka is known for its itinerary dances and actors who are specialized in unscripted songs sung by themselves, choreographed by themselves, and keeping the tradition of Karnataka art forms alive till date and even in future too. Their voice is a melody, a perfect rhythm expressing the real life stories of ordinary people appreciating nature and glory of life to live and let live. These forms are exhibited during festivals, traditional celebrations in most of the rural districts in all over Karnataka. Here we have a troupe of energetic, enthusiastic dancers enjoying the music which is sung by themselves. They are in colorful costumes, colorful sticks with great zeal, presenting a rhythmic and musical notes praising the nature and its beauty. It is none other than Kolata. Kolata is a traditional folk dance of the state of Karnataka located in southern India on the western coast. It is performed with traditional dress and it is a place which has a variety of traditions, art, folk dance. Usually it is performed by both men and women dancing together. It is a rigorous play of sticks called Kolata in Kannada language. We have a team over here led by B.T. Manava and Kala troupe from Doddabekanahalli, Hasan Taluk, Karnataka. The dancers in the troupe are Shri B.T. Manava, Shri Kempegowda, Shri Divakara, Shri Mudulinga Gowda, Shri Rangaswamy, Shri Nanjanda, Shri Ramachandra, Shri Kumar, Shri Jayanna, and Shri Ramesha. They are performing two dances with sticks, that is Kolata, and one with Kolata and Jade Kolata. There are many types of Kolata. On such forms is one which we have today performing with us. May I have B.T. Manava and team to perform an exuberant dance today.
ಬಳ್ಳಾರೆ ಪಾವತಿ ಅನ್ನದ ಕಲ್ಲು ಬಾವೆ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಬಾವೆ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಪೂಜೆ ನಿಲ್ಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಲೆ ರಾಮನ ನಿನ್ನ ಭಜನೆಯ ಪಾಡುವೆ ಬಳ್ಳಾರೆ ಪಾವತಿ ಅನ್ನದ ಕಲ್ಲು ಬಾವೆ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಈ ಕಲ್ಲು ಬಾವೆ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಪೂಜೆ ನಿಲ್ಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಲೆ ರಾಮನ ನಿನ್ನ ಭಜನೆಯ ಪಾಡುವೆ ನಿಲ್ಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಲೆ ರಾಮನ ನಿನ್ನ ಭಜನೆಯ ಪಾಡುವೆ ಯಾರು ಜಂಪು ಮಾರೋಳೆ ಮಾರುತ್ತ ಜಡವಯ್ಯಾರೆ ಈ ಮಾರುತ್ತ ಜಡವಯ್ಯಾರೆ ಬಾಕುತ್ತ ಬಳಕುತ್ತ ಬಂದಳೆದಾರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ ಜಯ ಬಾಕುತ್ತ ಬಳಕುತ್ತ ಬಂದಳೆದಾರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ ಜಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕರ್ಪ ಮತ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ತೀರಗಾಡೆ ಮತ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ತೀರಗಾಡೆ ಮತ್ತಿ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಗಂಗೆ ಸರ್ವಾದರವನ್ನ ಮತ್ತಿ ಬಂದ ಗಂಗೆ ದಿನದೇ ಲೆಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತೆ ಲೇಖಕಮ್ಮ ಲೆಕ್ಕೋ ಮಾತೆ ಲೇಖಕಮ್ಮ ಕಟ್ಟಾರಿತು ಏನೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಾತೆ ಮಾತುಗಳ ಕಟ್ಟಾರಿತು ಏನೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಾತೆ ಮಾತುಗಳ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯೋ ಕಲ್ಪ ಮತ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಸೇರಗಾಡೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಸೇರಗಾಡೆ ಕೂಡಿ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಗೌಡೆ ಸೈವ್ಯಾಕಂ ಸಾಧಗೇಣಿ ಸೈಕೋಂ ಸಾಧಗೇಣಿ ಸೈಯಾಕಂ ಸಾಧಗೇಣಿ